After PST timetable is set up, we are now ready to perform signal analysis. First, switch the PST from setup mode to processing mode. When PST is turned on, during analysis, it will play through all the PST time segments similar to the regular play mode. And the analysis results can be displayed in 3 different plot formats: pop-up new plot, update current plot, and tracking plot, which is for time domain plot only. For example, let's select the first option for pop-up new plot and perform cross-spectral analysis. Generate PST, FRF amplitude, and FRF phase. Turn on header, matching, and PST, then start. When playing through the 10 different PST time segments, the results at each PST will be displayed in a pop-up new plot. Next, let's switch to the second option for update current plot and repeat the same analysis. When playing through the 10 different PST time segments, the plot will be updated to display the current PST results. Next, let's switch to the third option for tracking plot and change the analysis to RMS reduction so that its output will be time domain plot. When playing through the 10 different PST time segments, the RMS reduction at each PST will be accumulated in the current plot. During PST play, the analysis results can be saved to a basket file for later recall. This is done by turning on the basket add pre-plot option, and in its menu, select default for stop time to add to basket. Then in the PST menu, select the desired output basket file format. There are 2 formats available. The first one is 2D format, which will generate 1 basket file for each PST time. And the 2D file can be recalled from the basket show option in the right menu by using the 2D plot recall. The second plot format is 3D format, which will generate 1 basket file per subplot for all PST time. And the 3D file can be recalled by using the 3D plot recall, which will be displayed in spectrogram or waterfall format. Other than PST play mode, analysis can also be performed at a particular PST time segment in start mode. In the start and end time menu, simply click on this down arrow button, and a pull-down list will be shown which lists the most recent 20 analysis time, as well as all the PST time. Select the desired PST time such as PST1, and it will be passed over to the start and end time box for analysis.